Jai Hind to all. Today I am going to start the instant messaging, one of the chapter, that is the third session of Unit 4 of IT 402. And I hope the previous video of mine, that is networking fundamentals, you must have already gone through. Now in this instant messaging, this is one of the again feature of internet, and mostly frequently people are using, everyone is knowing about it. That is what IM is. So instant messaging is one of the service of the internet through which you can send the masses instantly, immediately. Now you must be knowing also, you must have used also like a WhatsApp or Facebook, messengers or WhatsApp. These are example of some of the instant messaging services. We have a Skype and many more, or Google Hangouts or Google Talk or maybe Reddiball. These all are messengers. Now this instant messaging services we are using either as an application or you are using as a web service. Now once it is a web service, it means directly you can go to the websites and you can use it. Like a WhatsApp web service is webwhatsapp.com. Mind it. Try to find out the differences between application and the web again site. If I'm talking about application WhatsApp, then it is required to be downloaded or installed in your device, that is a smartphone or Android phone, and you have to configure once, and after that you can use it. This is the application you are talking. I'm basically talking about the WhatsApp app that is supposed to be downloaded first, then installed properly and configured. Now if I haven't that, so directly I can use that WhatsApp web application, that is webwhatsapp.com. You can go to the websites and you can directly connect. Now this is the two different kind of features of the WhatsApp you're using, either as a website or either as an application. So what is IM? Instant messaging, one of the services of net that help us to instantly send a message. It's basically online textual talk. That is a chat, you can also say. And the parties should be online, then only you can expect the delivery of the things instantly. If I'm on and I'm trying to send a message to the fellow who is not on, though you can do, but you may not again confirm yourself the message has been delivered, and it will be definitely not delivered. That's why we used to say this IM services is one of the services of net where the both parties should be online and immediately or instantly message can be sent. Like Facebook, if you want to send a message, go to the Facebook messengers and send it. If you want to again send the message through the Google, we have Hangouts. If you want to send a message through the WhatsApp is there, Skype is there, and likewise LinkedIn is there, and many more applications are there which provide us this instant messaging services. Now, key feature of instant messaging services, some of the features that IM provide us. One is it is available 24/7, means 24 hours, 7 days. It means anytime you can have these services or you can use these services without worrying what time it is. That is the first and foremost, again, one of the features of IM. Second, it is available on the multiple platform. You can use it on Android, you can use it on different, again, mobile OS, you can use it simultaneously on the laptop and desktop, which having a different OS. That's also great. That's second point. And it can store the unlimited chat history. And whatever chat you have between you and your friends, that will be stored. Anytime you can see or you can recall what chat was there on that day. That's the third features of IM. Fourth, with IM, you can also again chat in a groups, or you can send a message in a groups. So together, everyone will come to know, like a WhatsApp group we have. And similar way, you can create the groups on Hangout also, and in other again IM services also. Then it's also again help us to share the multimedia file. That's a great. You can send a video, you can send a textual talk, you can send an audio message, and these all facilities are there in any IM. With IM, searching of any kind of chat you can do. Suppose I had a chat with someone, but I don't know when it was. You can just write the name of the person, instantly, immediately to let you know what chat was there on what day. That is what you can easily search the chat that already occurred or chat that has been already done. It provides the options of replying and forwarding the message also. Once I have a message received from some friends, I can easily forward it to someone else for their reference. That is also there. And the last one, text chat we have. Instant messaging today also provides audio and video. I already talked. Audio and video versions of the chat is also available. So you can either chat textually, you can also chat audio version of yours, and you can also chat in video version of yours. These are the three different versions of chatting or instant messaging we have. So that is what ARM is, and the features of ARM just are talked. Kindly go through and try to understand. This is a great again features of internet nowadays we are enjoying. Now, common ARM application. There are some of the common ARM applications we have, and we can use any one out of it, or you may use all, depend on you. Like Google having the Hangouts. Now to use the Google Hangouts, just simply you have a need of a Google account. And after logging to the Google account, simply go to the Google applications, you will get the Hangouts. There is two inverted quotes you will get as a symbol for the Hangout, and click on it. It will show you all the, if you are directly again searching for the Google Hangout, it will ask you to sign in your Google account, and then friends list will be appear to whom you want to chat. Click on it and you can start chatting. If you want to chat new, then plus sign is there. Click on the plus and you can chat it. So Google Hangout is one of the popular messaging service or application that you can use it. Now Facebook Messengers, you all must be very again known or knowing this. If Facebook provide the Facebook Messengers, and if you have the messengers loaded in your mobile, you can use it to send a message instantly. Skype is one of the again renowned messaging service from the Microsoft. You can use it, but mainly Skype is used for the video conferencing and video again chat. Then WhatsApp again very popular, and we all are using, and it's available on every Android again version of your mobile, and you can use it to send a message. You can read the message, you can reply the message, you can forward the message. Again, we have all again even the video conferencing facilities there. And Telegram is another one that you can use just like a WhatsApp. It also again helps us to send a message. And then we have a Pidgin and Idioms. These two are also of the same nature, Pidgin and this. Out of it, I hope the Hangout you must have heard, Facebook Messengers you have heard, and WhatsApp you are knowing, Skype you are knowing, and one messengers can help you to send a message to the friends who having the same again messengers minded. It means Skype to Skype. It means Hangout to Hangout and Facebook to Facebook. You don't expect the Hangout to WhatsApp you can send. So we have need of the ARM application, similar ARM application at both ends to send a message. And the purpose is to send a short message, a small message instantly, immediately. That is what ARM is. Next topic is working with an ARM client. If you want to work on ARM client, then of course we have to go for any applications which provide us this. For example, Google Hangouts. And if you want to work on it, as I mentioned, Google is always there. You must be registered in the Google. If you are registered, kindly log into the Google account with a username and password. And after that, go to the applications. In application, you have all the like YouTube or Drive, and you'll get the Hangouts option also. Click on the Hangouts. You will see the left side Hangout window will open, and there we have all the friends of your Gmail who are on or available. You'll see the list. Click on any again friends, and immediately you will be able to start chatting. That is how to. But for that we need to sign in, or we have to create an account in Gmail. Then plus sign is there. The plus sign you can directly again start the new chat, and if your friend is there in new chat, again it will ask you the email ID and the friend name. The moment you will enter the friend name, it will show you the complete detail about that friends, and if the friend is on, you will be able to send the message. This is how to again set an ARM client, instant messaging client. It means in your computer a software through which you can send a message. That's what it's called ARM client, because through client I can make the request or I can send the message. Now some of the great rules or etiquettes that we have to follow, that's very required. Kindly never forget to follow that, because it will help you to not unnecessarily again drag in any again issues, or you will be in problem if you will not follow. First and foremost, state with about the short greetings. First of all, we have to always again start your conversation with a small greeting. That's a courtesy, that's etiquette. So like you can say good morning sir, greeting from SKPPS Sivani, or you can say dear sir, greetings from, or dear Mohan, greetings from SKPPS Sivani. You may mention the department also. This is just an example. So you must well again salute the people or greet the people, because it's a massive beginning. So first and foremost, etiquette says start with the small greetings. Second is keep the conversation short, because it's an instant messaging. Mind it, history is not supposed to be right. A brief message. That's why the Twitter only support 140 character. Early Twitter was supporting 28 character. The great people are using the Twitter as one of the armed service. There you haven't the more again freedom. That's why people used to write it small. You must have seen your PM tweets, or maybe the Kangana Ranaut tweets, or maybe someone else again tweeting. And there we have a limitation of 140 characters still. That is an expanded form. Early it was less than that. Now use the abbreviations wherever it required. Might it not required to use the abbreviation, because not necessary to be everyone is knowing about it. And if you're using, kindly use the common abbreviated word that is everyone knowing, like ASAP, as soon as possible, something like that. And use the proper punctuations wherever the punctuations marks are required, a comma required, full stop required, quotes required. These all are punctuations. Kindly use it so that people can easily read it. Avoid the caps lock, because caps lock considered to be the shouting on I am. So if you're using the caps lock, people consider you're shouting on him. Mind it, don't use any caps lock again, things in capital. Be patient. If someone is not replying, maybe due to some reason, maybe he's not free, maybe he's not conditioned to, maybe he's very slow in typing. So have a patience. Don't unnecessarily keep on again poking, sending the message, why not replying, why not right. Don't consider to be the good etiquette. Keep it short and sweet. Always have a small hi. That's all. Hi, how are you? No need to write. Simply say hi. Expect the hello from the opponent, and then further again, keep on again. Let the people to open up, and then you can send. Be aware of the status masses. Always try to see the status of the people to whom you want to interact or are interacting. If people are saying busy, don't disturb. If people are saying idle, if people are saying not in mood to, if people are saying in office, it means he or she may be not able to chat with you. So that is beware about the status message. That's why people change their status message according to their again condition, and find the conversation with a short closing. And at last you must say thank you, bye, take care, we'll meet again. And this kind of words should be used at last, so that people will come to know you are a person of etiquettes, you are a person of manner, and you know the way to start and you know to close the things. So this is what the IM is, instant messaging. It was one of the chapters of your IT books of season 3rd. And I finished this. Kindly go through the exercises, questions, answers, and I hope easily you'll be able to do. If you have any query further, you can let me know, and definitely I'll get back with the answer of that questions to you. Thank you all.